How to fix you cannot send message due to this user's privacy settings on TikTok. Let us jump right into the steps. First, use profile and then try to send them a message. Tap on send message. Now go ahead and type any message as it is sent, but sometimes the message will not be sent and you have to resend it and still it will not be sent. To fix that, go to your profile and tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down here and tap on free up space and clear all the caches of your TikTok. Just tap on clear and clear it again. After that, you want to go back and tap on report a problem. Here what you need to do is scroll down and tap on direct messages. Tap on unable to send direct messages. Here tap on no. Then tap on need more help. Now you can type as following. You may pause the video for that. Then you can go ahead and add screenshot by tapping on the photo icon right in the bottom left corner. After attaching the picture, you want to tap on submit. Now TikTok will go through your problem and solve it for you. And that is how you can fix can't send message due to this user's privacy settings. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.